Diet is very important in any healing journey. To get cured from most of the health problems, one has to follow a proper diet. Only then the medicines, Ayurvedic medicines prescribed by us will work effectively. And one can completely get cured from all of the chronic diseases faced by them. In this regard, we will be making many cooking videos and uploading in your YouTube channel. Hello friends, today I am going to show how to make banana ice cream which is dairy free and sugar free. The ingredients that we are going to use are frozen banana, 4 to 5 frozen banana, 8 to 10 dates, cashew milk, pinch of salt and vanilla essence. Hello friends, do you want to get cured from all of your health problems like diabetes, hypertension, constipation, migraine, acidity, and also autoimmune disorders like ulcerative colitis, Crohn's, psoriasis, lupus nephritis, etc., and also thyroid related problems? Then please join our Telegram group where we will be guiding and mentoring people on various health problems. Here we will be sharing all the details about change in diet and lifestyle. The link to join this group is mentioned in the description. Now add all the ingredients: dates, frozen banana, cashew milk, half spoon of vanilla essence. We have grind the banana and date into a thick consistency, and we'll pour into a glass vessel. Now we have poured all the content into a glass vessel. Now our ice cream is ready after freezing for 2 hours. It has come very well. Dear friends, we invest a lot of money on making YouTube videos and also run this organization. This channel and organization runs on a charity basis with your donation. To sustain ourselves and keep making videos regularly and also to serve you and to run this show, we end up spending a lot of money. In this regard, we request you to donate money and help us to serve you better. The details on how you can donate has been mentioned in the description. Please look into it and donate generously. Please comment, like and share this video with your friends and relatives so that others will also get benefit by watching this video.